Sir, I got these chickens here for sale. You want to buy any chickens?
Nah, I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good.
Give me $2 or $3 for one of them. It's been a rough week. I just need $2 or $3 to make it to my next paycheck.
Well, I don't know what to tell you. Better go start digging in some garbage.
Cross the creek. Back again with another one, guys. Back again with another one there. Well, never mind that mess you can see in the background. Well, we've been getting after it, to say the least. This here is going to be another country style shootout. Well, some errands involved. Can't tie up too much time into the intro, but y'all come on with us. You got nothing else to do on this Sunday. Well, for our first stop, pet supplies. We got to get in here for our old koi tank. Maybe the other side. It's actually on this side. We're looking for something we can treat the water there. Let's start right. And well, hopefully this right here get that old koi tank treated up just right. We can get them koi put in there and they can make it their new home. We're gonna get that old koi water treated up and well, off to the next destination. Let's run down some animal feed. And the next stop, Rural King. Gotta run some feed down. Well, we got the feed loaded up, y'all. Let's go get some medicine. CJ's just waking up, you know. Well, of course, Maria's got me doing all the work and all the hauling as always. Got these bags of feed loaded up. We're gonna go over here and check out the aisle for the ointments and such. We might get some new stock, Fear Zone, we don't know. Let's see if they got what we need. And then we out of here and off to the next location. All right, here's the stuff we're after, and we're moving on. All right, now back to the homestead. Get this baby goat taken care of and feed the rest of them heathens. All right, guys, since we made it back, well, you know what time it is. Go ahead and take that volume on the TV there and crank it all the way up. Let's head to our first area here. Old Vegas wholesale. These guys here just constant. I'm talking about repeat offenders. Let's get these guys fed up. Yep, that's the same girl there that she was taken in for assaulting an officer, that old black one there. Yeah. Well, the whole time she was screaming that Black Lives Matter, and I told her guilty is guilty. Let's get the other one. We gotta get on in there and the old relocating pin there. These guys here, well, we're gonna get them loaded up and well, took on the yard, y'all. I always took that little Billy there. I couldn't stop him from coming in. Let's get out and get some room to come in. They said they'll go on in and they may stay if the rent ain't too high. We're gonna feed the next area here. Some old piglets making themselves at home. Well, home for now until we eat them. We country like eating pot-bellied pig. Pretty cream colored goat, but didn't make it through. Stillborn. Came out, maybe lacked oxygen, who knows. But we don't waste nothing. I'm gonna take him over here and introduce him. Well, yeah, Yoon's got it right. You sure am right. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Let's slop them hogs. Oh, Michael Blackson is back. We appreciate you guys stopping to check in. We always do. And we ain't gonna wrap it up here with them hogs that look like they're mighty hungry. Let's get this old power box turned up. Oh, Zeppo say I have them. Let's see who wants them. Let's see who wants them. They are unsure about it. Collard Green said, where do I start? And guys, just like that, they're off. Let's get on over in here. We don't want to miss the action. Oh, he said, what? He said, y'all know what I'm here for. He said, I'll eat you if you turn your back on me long enough. Getting that goat opened up there. And, well, old Collard Green said she ain't waiting on no appetizers of any sort. Maria's been working on the other side. We got those chickens all caught up. And want to take some time to tell you guys thank you for checking us out every Sunday. And well, you can always be looking for more. Oh, headshot. Woo. Probably gonna say she ain't sharing if she's off. Y'all better catch up. Guys, let's get on to the other side. So just beside that garbage can, right over in there, he finally caught her. He's been chasing her. Get on around to the better end of this thing. Well, I named that little guy there, that's Mr. Marcus. And well, once he pins him down, he don't let him get back up. He's been chasing this hen all the way around the pasture, and look like he said, come here, be still. No running at all. Well, old Shiner Sam in there, and old Soul Train up front. Say, let him out. Well, if any of you out there wondering if chickens eat eggs, they do. That old rooster that said he'll have a gobbler, well, Maria's old spilled eggs that she dropped from up there. He's gobbling that thing up. He says he can stay, he don't waste nothing neither. Well, these group of guys here are the ones we're gonna drop over at RJ's place. He said he's gonna tend to them for us. They got some white Sussex in there. Well, along with some speckled Sussex. We're gonna get these things bred up and well, if old loudmouth inside that pen there, hold on for a minute and let me finish what I'm trying to explain to you. Next time he make a noise, one of y'all come through that screen there and batter them up. But we're gonna get these guys, as I was saying, we're gonna get these eggs. Whoa. We're gonna get these eggs collected off this guy and incubated, sticks, glue, and vision style, and brought back around, and we'll be seeing offspring on these guys on the channel. Okay, loudmouth, that was your last time. I'm trying to get them guys called in. Well, we got a storm of brewing, and that old goat herd's coming in, and we slopping them hogs, bell peppers, animal crackers. Y'all remember the days Mama used to take you to Piggly Wiggly and get a Winn-Dixie, used to steal them old boxes of animal crackers. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They said they'll come check this thing out. We'll pick that to the dogs. The dogs had that. They didn't waste nothing. Well, she survived an attack, and she said she's still here, and she ain't backing down none. And she said she's gonna try to get out one more time. Man, they chomp. That's how my brothers used to cut through that double cheeseburger from McDonald's. With extra cheese. Extra cheese. Well, the other two pigs up there having a goat and duck, so they'll come in and have a little bit of slop too. This old goat stall here, Maria and I, well, we built it from scratch with all sawmill lumber and all. It's got a nice lean to let that water run off. And well, sorry about that wind noise. The paint's been scratching on the backside there. But I brought y'all over here not to brag about this fancy goat house, but I'm gonna take you around to the front of it, and but we got signs and everything. Speaking of signs, I believe Maria's been signed us up, well, for some kind of future camping trip. I don't know. We got chickens loaded and RVs loaded and all, and well, that's all I'm gonna tell y'all on this one. You have to check in for the Sunday evening cast, and I don't know, see what we up to. Thanks for watching.